Clicking on your decision block will open the Configure menu. Decision blocks allow you to insert branching decisions based on subscriber interactions. You can set decisions based on whether they read your email or clicked on a link inside your campaign. If you choose Link Clicked, you can then choose if this actions on them clicking on any link inside your campaign or a specific link. Let's click Specific Link. You will then be prompted to select a desired link. Clicking on the plus icon will show a preview of your campaign. From here, you can select the desired link. With this set, exit the menu to save your settings.